We see different reasons why people are coming, but mainly executives, when they bring us in for a program, are often concerned about the well-being of their teams, of their employees. And I think that's the biggest reason that people bring us in is that there's a genuine care and concern for employees. And also, I think that people oftentimes see that maybe teams are not working at their full potential, either as a group or individually. And so there's an awareness that that could be improved. And so people are often looking for, okay, how do we improve that? How do we improve people's well-being, their productivity, the functionality of teams, how they can really work towards a unified mission, the company's goals together. And so I think that's a big part of why people come. And sometimes executives themselves have experienced our workshops, and then they see the value and they want to bring that to their teams, because the possibilities are really endless when these workshops happen and everybody takes part in them. It really can change culture in such a positive way. And I think that executives have that understanding when they get a taste of it themselves, and just see that the possibilities are really endless in terms of creating a positive culture.